This is an emergency alert. The current threat level is emergency. Mildura City Council have confirmed the presence of a highly contagious virus spreading within Mildura. Symptoms of this virus include the following: extreme aggression, red eyes, blood dripping from the mouth, blood vomiting, enhanced agility and speed, an inescapable grip, an unprecedented homicidal aggression onto accelerated cannibalism of the individual. Secure your homes and lock all doors and windows. Do not approach individuals exhibiting aggressive behavior or visible signs of illness. A quarantine is now in effect for Mildura. Do not attempt to leave the city. If you must protect yourself, use a weapon. However, exposure to blood or bodily fluids result in transformation. All receiving this alert are urged to remain clear-headed and follow out the instructions given. The latest information will be sent via television and local radio. Stay calm, stay vigilant, and stay safe.